Hello everyone, this is Miss Qianfei. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little card. You can make some pumpkin emoji with it. Here is the example of the work today. Now let's get started. For the supplies, you will need some white paper, some orange paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. Liquid glue would work. If you do not have orange paper, white paper would work. You just have to color it orange. First, we are going to make a tiny envelope with one of the white paper. To make the envelope, you are just going to fold the paper, the top and the bottom, to the back. We are not going to glue or tape the envelope. That will be the last step. Now, let's leave the envelope on the side. We are going to draw a pumpkin from the orange paper. Here is one tip for you. You want to have a pumpkin about the similar size like the envelope, not too big, not too small either. After you check the size of your pumpkin, you are going to cut the edge off. Make sure you slowly and carefully cut on the edge of the pumpkin. Next, we are going to draw a long rectangle about the place where you are going to make the eyes for your pumpkin, and also do a smaller one where you will make the mouth of your pumpkin. Then you are going to glue your pumpkin on the envelope. Make sure you glue the pumpkin on the front of the envelope. And also, you do not have to make any eye or mouth on the pumpkin at this moment. You only have to do 2 rectangles. After we glue the pumpkin on, we are going to measure how wide the rectangle is. That will be the width of the bar. After you marked how wide the bar is supposed to be, you are going to fold your orange paper and cut a long piece of rectangle from the paper. Some of you may notice I did get a second piece of orange paper. If you end up with 2 pieces of orange paper, make sure they have the same shades of orange. Or you can just color 2 pieces of white paper into orange. Now we are going to carefully poke a hole in the middle of the longer rectangle. For this step, please be very careful. You may ask your older sibling to help you or any grown-ups at home to help you poke the hole. After you poke the hole, we are going to do what we did earlier for the pumpkin, cut on the edge of the rectangle. Now we are going to repeat this step to cut off the smaller rectangle. Now you may put the long rectangle, the orange bar, underneath the pumpkin and start to do the design of the face, which will be the emoji. You're only going to draw the place where the eyes are and the mouth is. When you finish your first one, you will slice your pumpkin down and then do a second one. I want to do 4 different emojis, and then I realized my orange bar is not long enough. So here I'm cutting a second piece of the orange bar and then tape them or glue them together. Before we glue or tape the envelope together, you do have to measure the open space for the bar. So please measure on top and bottom the same width like the orange bar, and then open that piece. To make it a little bit clear for you, I did draw a line between the 2 dots. That's how wide the bar is. And then you're just going to cut on the line. After you open both space, you may glue your envelope. Make sure the envelope, you only put a little bit glue on it. You don't want to put too much glue and it end up glue everything together. Now you may put the bar go through the envelope. If you feel the envelope, the open space is too narrow, you can use your scissor to cut a little bit more. Here are the 4 different emojis I made for my pumpkin today. You may do as many as you like. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun today. See you next time.